Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since my last video. Well, today we're heading off on another short trip. It's only a 2-night trip, 2 nights, 3 days, down to Kaputar National Park, sort of northwestern New South Wales, out near Narrabri, just outside Narrabri. So I've been there before, but I haven't actually stayed there. So 2 nights in the national park this time. So looking forward to that. There's a couple of good lookouts in there. The camping area looks quite good. A couple of good camping areas to choose from. Yeah, it should be good. Oh, what have I been up to? Well, last couple of days, yesterday, I put on a new bash plate on Barry. So I'll see how that one goes. That one is quite good. I'll put up some pictures of it on the screen. And also, you'll see later on, you can't really see it now, but sporting a new helmet. So, new Aero Commander helmet, and so far I've been a few rides. This is going to be the first long ride, but so far so good. It is definitely a bit better than my old helmet, and again I'll flash up a picture of my old one. Just the wind noise is a lot better in this one, a lot less wind noise in this one. So we'll see how this one goes, and also taking phone calls through my intercom system. It's a lot clearer in the helmet itself. So we'll see how it goes. All right, come along for the journey. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers. All right, first bit of dirt, that's good. We'll see what it's like. Looks like it's just been graded a little bit. So, as per normal, it takes a little while to get my dirt eye in, but it doesn't look too bad. See how we go. Nice country back roads. It's nice hard packed dirt now. Alright, just getting into Texas. So, a little bit of dirt this morning. which was good. Good dirt road. So plan is now stop, have a bit of a break, something to eat, something to drink, and then keep going. So Texas little, it's a nice little house. Focus. Texas, a little town in sort of, I don't even know if it's in New South Wales. I think it's in New South Wales, probably Queensland. Put in the comments below where it is. I'm not 100% sure. Hospital up that way. So I'll find a cafe or something like that. And have something to eat and drink. Probably might throw some fuel in, about half empty. I'll get there, but I'll throw some fuel in anyway. Alright, talk to you soon. Alright, bit more dirt. Looks like another nice dirt road. Big potholes, I'll probably hit all of them. But yeah, see how we go. And this is where the fun starts. So I pulled up to this little causeway. I could see the truck parked there. I could see the bit of plant working on the right hand side there, and first thing I thought, well, that water looks pretty deep in the middle. I thought maybe it's closed. I was waiting for old mate. I stopped for a sec waiting for old mate to go, no, please turn back. I went, no, you're not doing that. So I'll keep going. I thought, no, that water looks too deep through the middle and it's going to be too muddy. So I thought I'll head over to the left hand side where it looks okay. So I got a little bit further forward, a little bit further, got to about here, and this is where the front wheel just sunk in about now. I thought, oh crap. I thought, well, I can't get off and I can't drag it back because Barry weighs like 900 kilo. The mud was just terrible, so I thought, oh, I've got to keep going, I'm committed now. So I thought, no, I'm just going to ping it, and got to keep going. Right, yep, I'm going to give it some beans. Sorry, Barry. Up around 6,000 RPM at this stage, and just slowly inching forward. Slowly. And then, oh shit, I've got to rock it a little bit. I got stuck here. Got to keep rocking it, keep going. Yep, just pin it. Slowly, keep rocking. There we go. A little more forward momentum, about 7,000 RPM. Sorry again, Baz. And I thought, I'm here, I'm nearly done, I'm nearly to the end. And I thought, no, it's still bloody deep mud there. And I've got nearly there, a little bit more. The mud was still absolutely that brown, sticky, thick mud. And I thought, no, nearly there. And oh my god, I got there. Woo. Oh my god. Oh. Whew. Just got through that. Wasn't going to go through the middle. Got to get all that off the front tyre. here we are at the bottom of Kaputar National Park at the start. So dirt from here on in, I think it is, if I remember correctly. Oh, and all that mud's gonna start coming off the guards that I went through. So we have got 14 kilometres of dirt, I think. There it is, National Park. Bark Hut 13, there we go. So it's been a good little run, with some good dirt. Had a bit of mischief with some mud. You've probably seen that. But other than that, it's been a good ride today. Long one to get here. But yeah, been a good ride. All right, I will get through this dirt, and I'll talk to you again when I get to the campsite. Alright, so it is the next morning. Got into the campsite right on dark, set up in the dark, and now just about to head into Narrabri, have a bit of breakfast, and then I will come back out and start having a look around at the lookouts, do a bit of filming, and show you guys what's around in this area. So the campsite itself is good. It turned out it was probably only about 5 or 6, 7 k's of dirt, and then went back to bitumen like this, and then bitumen all the way to the campsite. Campsite's quite good. It's got toilets, showers, so it is quite good. It's got little fire pit type things as well. So yeah, quite good. Looking forward to having a good look around. So today is just about looking around here, and that's it. All right, I'll talk to you later. Alright, here we are, getting to the top of Mt Kaputar. It's just up there a little bit. So, single lane bitumen, which is good, but you have to watch out for traffic coming the other way, which I just found out back there. Someone was going a little bit fast and didn't realise that you're supposed to share the road. So getting close to the top now. Walking track down that way, and here we are. I'll go over here, and the summit is right there. So we'll get out, get the drone out, and have a look around. So about 4 or 5 k's away from where I'm staying, there's this Dorson Spring campsite. So again, some good campsites. You got tables, you got fire pits. So I'll show you. They got toilets. Not sure if they got showers, but very popular. They've even got cabins up here a little bit that you can stay at. So I think it looks like 2 or 3 cabins, probably 3 cabins that obviously you can book and stay at. If you don't want to camp in the tent, just grab a cabin if you've had a long day on a bike. So toilets, I'm going to assume there's showers in there. So that's the cabins up there. They look quite good. So that's Dorson Spring. Again, lots of picnic tables, barbecues. Well, it's Friday and all packed up and heading home. So a good couple of days all in all. Finally a good chance all day yesterday to look around a national park. Didn't see it all, but can always come back. So a beautiful morning, a chilly one last night, got down to about 8. We're sitting on 11 degrees at the moment. So yeah, beautiful morning. So I'll head into Narrabri, have breakfast, and then start the trek home. And you can see by the footage in front, it's a glorious morning this morning. So I will talk to you later on in the day on my way home. Cheers. Well, there you go. Friday afternoon at 4:11, just getting home after 3 days away to Mt Kaputar. Awesome trip, some good dirt, some unexpected mud that you probably saw, and some good twisty bits, except for today. Today I decided to head home via Moree, Gundawindi, Millmerran, which is a lot of straights after straights after straights, but it was quicker to get home, so I decided to go that way. But Kaputar done and dusted. A couple of nights at the campground, which was good. Definitely go back. There's definitely a lot to see there. If you're into bushwalking, definitely some bushwalking tracks to go and do, but I definitely recommend it. Again, Barry performed faultlessly the whole trip. Absolutely no problems the whole trip, which is good. I've done how many Ks? I've done 1,200, and by the time I get home, about 1,280 kilometres total for the trip. So that's not too bad. Got up 29,000 Ks on Barry today, and 28,000 on him on when I leave Wednesday. All right, look, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, please put them down below, and I will see you for the next one. Cheers.